create a Canvas app in Power Apps. So I have created a small demo app. So let me explain about the app first. Later I will tell you how to create an app in Power App Editor. So I'm going to click on preview button over here. So I'm going to click the button. It will display all the cases which belongs to me. This screen is nothing but a gallery list screen, and on the top we have so many control. This is a back button. You can click a back button, it will go to home page or any screen. I'm clicking on the button again, and here we can search a case also. Login issue, it will display the search related case, and you can click on the icon to see about a detailed view of case, and you can edit the case. You can change the status or origin, etc. And here we have one more option called assign. So we can choose the respective user. If you want to assign a case to other user, you can choose the user and click on assign button. So I click on assign. Basically this button will call Power Automate, and Power Automate will update the case and assign the case to new user, and will display the status as case completed. Case assignment completed message you will get here. I'm going to save the case now without clicking assign button. Later I will explain. So you will get a notification like case update successfully, and you can go back to the original screen. You can refresh the screen. Just remove the keyword. Yeah, just refresh it. Yeah, and you can create a new case also by click on plus button and type credit card issue. You can choose the option and origin and status progress. So here, based on the customer selection, we are filtering the contact. I will explain how to do this. So click on save it, case is created, and you can navigate to the page. Credit card issue, come here. Let me flip to the Power App. I will explain each and every screen. So basically we have a 5 screen. One is home screen, my case screen, edit case screen, create case screen, view screen. Okay. And home page screen is nothing but a blank screen. You can add by clicking on blank screen. And next one is my case screen. This is actually a list screen. So once add it, you will get a gallery icon. And by clicking on a gallery icon, you can add a source over here. Let me show you. So once added, you can click on a gallery and you can choose a data source. So here I'm selecting the case and my active case. Okay, and this button I'm navigating to home screen and refresh. I'm refreshing the entire screen, and this is a title, and this is a navigation to create a new case. Okay, so if I click the plus button, it goes to create a case screen, and it goes to this screen. Okay, so this form default mode is actually new. Okay, and the data source is case. Let me go back to the other screen. So if you choose this icon, it will go to another screen. Okay, this if you want to view the more detail of case, here I'm adding one more screen called a view case screen. Okay, and we have a one more view edit case. So this view we will get after clicking on edit icon in a view case screen. So navigate edit case screen. Okay, and so here we have one button assign. So this assign basically called Power Automate. The Power Automate name is case assign.run. I am passing in two parameter. One is selected user and selected case record ID gallery.selected.case. Basically it will give the record ID and then user. So once click on assign, my Power Automate will get execute. So this is my Power Automate. I'm choosing the power ups as a triggering event and I'm adding two variables compose 1 and compose 2, and I'm taking a value as a string and the input value will be asking parameter. I mean asking power up. So once get a value and we are updating the record output of compose 2 and then owner field. Okay, so afterwards we need to pass the output value to power automate. Okay, so I have added one more control, and this action will execute by configuring a run after. If update a record action successful, then this action will get executed. Okay, and I'm just giving the value, hard coding the value. Case has been completed, and I am selecting the respond to power up flow, and I have created a value output and taking the status value, the status over here, and then save it. Okay, and I am creating the variable in update context. Okay, and after a variable I have added one more text control, I mean the label control, assign status dot output. Okay, so in this case after my flow get executed, I will get case assign completed text value here. So this is the way we need to call the action, I mean the power automate in the canvas app. So by clicking on action power automate, you can choose a power automate in the button. So I have choose the case assign power automate over here, and so after clicking on edit button on edit screen, we need to navigate to respect to record. Okay, and so in this case I'm navigating to the screen, edit screen, click on the edit form, choose item, see browse gallery one dot selector, whatever the case I have selected in the gallery, so those case only need to edit. Okay. Same way we can choose it in a weak case form as well. If you choose the option and see here navigating it. This is my view screen, and one more option I will show you. Let me go to my screen. The search option, actually how we are doing the search. So basically if I am creating a new case, those case should come first. So I'm sorting the case title by created on. Okay, and this is the formula I have written. I'm sorting by created on, and then I'm searching the keyword like case title is my keyword. Title should be a logical name of field in the CRM. Text search box is nothing but the cursor which I am giving the search box. And filter, of course I am showing my case filter. We can also add a status over here, like status of my case is equal to open or resolved, like that. So this is for a search, sort and filter of gallery in a Canvas app. Next thing is in a create form. Let me go to create case screen. Here, based on a case, based on a customer selection, I want to filter the case. Okay, and so this is my formula. Drop down to is a name, data card name. I means it. Drop down to is a name, and what are the account I have selected? I need to filter the contact. Okay, and this is the formula. I'm filtering the contact based on the company selected, where company name is equal to selected drop down. Okay, and that's it. Thank you. If you have anything, just give a comment. I will look into this. Thank you.